Hi, my name is Julie, and I've been living in London for 10 months. I'm a songwriter, singer, and actress. I was, I think, 12 years old, and my brother was playing guitar, and yeah, I asked him if he can teach me something, and yeah, he told me like a church song, and it was quite like fast. I got it really fast, so yeah. But I think last 2 years I did like the biggest improve like playing on guitar. I can't say like I have one artist or two which I like the most because I think every music, every genre is good if you can say, oh, that's really cool, or the bass sounds great, or the beat or the vocal. So I don't have like one kind of music I like. I love the mix with pop and jazz like Amy Winehouse, but I love artists like Moo or M83. So yeah, a lot of bands. When I play alone, like only with my guitar, it sounds more like indie music. But I have a band, and with band we play more like pop with electronic stuff. We use as well like analog drums and the bass. So yeah, I think that's the music which is quite popular now. I used to perform in my country, but only to like show my music, but it wasn't really often. And when I came here, I decided to try. And I remember the first time I was so shy and I felt like I'm begging for money. But I'm not thinking now like that because I don't force people to give me money. If someone wants to pay me, that's really nice, and I really appreciate that. So now I don't think like that, but I remember my first time, and yeah, I was really like, oh no, people are staring at me, and it's kind of weird, and yeah, so like I think I've been playing on the street for 10 months, and now I think I like it. Yeah, especially when it's summer and there's a lot of people here and they are here to listen your music, so that's awesome. Playing on the street is a good way to meet people because I met few people who invited me to play in pubs, in the venues here, and it's a good way to improve your skills, like playing on the guitar or just singing or being more confident. So I've decided to play on the street because I make extra money because of that, what is of course really good for me, and I can spend like more time to making my own music. But a lot of people feel like uncomfortable on the street because it's not, how to say that, it's not really comfortable when people are just walking and they don't care about you. So obviously it's better to play gig somewhere where people are coming because of you and your music. But on this, I think the main thing of playing on the street is to show your music to other people, to meet other people, and yeah, to make extra money. So I'm 100% sure if you will ask everyone, they will tell you that's the way they can make extra money because yeah, it's really comfortable for musicians because they can spend their free time to making more music and not spend that time in a job where they have to work from 7 to 5 or something. Yeah, so on the street I play a lot of Amy Winehouse, typically songs like Stand By Me or Hit the Road Jack. I used to play Chet Faker. Yeah, I think I played a few songs which are not really well known here, but it doesn't matter. You can see if people know the song, they are like more interested, but you can play everything. My band is called Chilé, like a country. We are not from Chile. That's a funny story because once the one guy from Chile messaged me on Facebook and he said, "I love your music," and we were looking for a name of the band, and it took a lot of time and we were exhausted. And I was joking, maybe we should like call Chile, and that's the story. We have been working for 2 years to be really happy and proud about our music. Now I think we are ready, and on March this year we released one single called Every Outline. Like with band we do only original stuff. I write songs as well. And when I play it on the street, obviously people are waiting for covers. But I'm trying to like fill the space, like with my originals. One conversation with my friend from Chile. He said, "Remember that you have to like looking for inspiration not only in music of other people. You have to find an inspiration in your life, because if you wanna write a good song, which I think that's a big word, but which is coming from your heart, you have to looking for inspiration in your life. I think everyone can stand on the street and play. Yeah, I know people who are too shy to do that. It's not so easy, because I had the same feelings for the first time, for the few first months even. And yeah, I think I felt like when I was more confident, people felt that. I felt like connection with people. So don't be shy. Just try, and that's the good way. If you are the beginners, you can improve your skills and meet people. I think that's the best thing of that, because I met a lot of people. Yeah, just don't be shy and go for it. I think the street is like open for everyone.